your second video. All right, so what you want to do here is you want to go to your class. You want to go to your materials, scroll all the way down to these two guys here. This is student course materials. You want to make sure you're in teacher materials. Go ahead and click on that. Now you have the first 5 weeks and the teacher plan book and all this other stuff. You don't need any of that. Go to the resources, the first 5-week resource. Now this is going to look like this. Click on the title. Once you get in, you are going to scroll through virtual instruction the first 5 weeks. You also have Wonders, Kinder, ELA. Okay, so you want to go, you want to just, you can scroll through them if you really want. Math, they're all actually in there. So we're going to go back to slide 2. Darn. Okay, so ELA, 5th grade. Okay, you can ignore all of the slide decks, but what you want to look at is the Facilitator guide. So Facilitator guide for weeks 1 and 2. You're going to make a copy for yourself. That copy will go into your Google Drive, into your slides. Now, so tomorrow is Friday, so tomorrow is day 5. You're going to go down to where you see that's day 2. This is day 3. So probably slide 6. No. Okay. So slide 6, if you see right here, it says day 5. And slide 7 has day 5 at the top. So since mine is kind of small, I'm going to make it a little bigger, 100%. All right. So this is all that you really need to look at for day 5. It's the end of slide 6 and the beginning of slide 5. So slide 6 over here, you're going to see it's just kind of like teacher guided instruction. You don't really need to look at that. You're pretty good at teaching. So then you're going to go to slide 7. Slide 7 is still day 5. And it's going to tell you click on M-Class lesson plan for recognizing and reading 2-syllable words, closed-syllable routine. So anytime you see a little link like this, all you have to do is click on it, and it's going to take you to some type of instruction. This one was actually just to teach you how to do closed syllables if it's something you don't know how to do. You know how to do that, so don't worry about that. I am going to go back to day 4 just to show you another example of when they add the assignments for you, right? So that's day 5 still. Day 4, it's not on there. Day 3, okay, it's talking about slides. Nope, it's not on here either. All right, so for example, let's look at day 2, and Zoom was asking you to do a poll, or the slides are asking you to do a poll for this particular day. So day 2, it's just 2 slides, slide number 2 and slide deck number 3. Slide number 2, it's going to tell you, here you go, you have a Zoom poll, click here for a tutorial. This right here is going to teach you how to do a Zoom poll. You click on it, there's your YouTube video. It's going to take you straight to YouTube.
Hey everyone, Farrah from Zoom here.
Okay, it's going to go through it. She's talking to everybody. She's going to show you how to do the poll. This is just a quick little tutorial. If you notice, it's only 2 minutes. Okay, there you go. Get out of there. And that's how, anything that you have in here, it's just going to show you how to go to the links or to make a Jamboard or to do a poll or what have you. So that one was for language arts. The next one, you want to maybe look at math. I'm just going to click through here real quick. Okay, so there's math, there's 5th grade, Facilitator Guide Week 2. You're going to have this slide deck here on the side again. So if you look at where it showed day 1, it's going to show you how to use Zoom annotation. There's that little link right there, how to annotate using your Zoom. Let me make it larger for you. for this one was day 1. These are just, okay, here you go. Here's how to do the Jamboard tutorials. So this is the math guide. This is weeks 1 and 2. This is slide number 5. And all of these tutorials here are going to show you how to use Jamboard. You click on that. It's going to take you here to YouTube. It's going to give you an instructional video. Come on. Skip ads.
In this video, I'm going to show you some different ways that you can use Google Jamboard.
There you go, use Google Jamboard, and then it's just going to give you instructions on how to use all of that. Okay, so you're good there. This is for how to do the math games. Let's skip down to tomorrow's day 5. Wait, did I go too far? Day 1, day 2, day 3. Okay, day 4, this was today, and then so day 5. So day 5 class norms, you know how to do all that. You don't need to read through all that. It has those notes for you. Use Zoom annotation, and then it'll take you back. Let me see. Okay. Here's all these counting songs. There's a Jamboard tutorial again for day 5. Day 5 math games. This is another link that's going to show you how to use U cubed. You're going to click on that. So anything that the slide deck that you show the students is linked to anything external, or you have to have an assignment for it, it's going to be right here in your facilitator notes. It'll show you the student slides, what slide you're using during the day, and your facilitator notes. And like I said, it's not that much material. It's just maybe a few slides, something that you can just run through super quick, and then it'll move you on to what they're doing that matches the slide, and then it'll move you on to like the next day. So just a few slides. I would recommend that you look at that so you know what is coming up for the next day. Alrighty, let me go ahead and stop this video, and I hope that helps you.